Hi, good day in my town. Today I am making another dhokla in which we are using many spices. So any kind of rava we'll take here 2 cup in a bowl. Now here we are gonna mix all the masalas, spices, and so that make it little different. I have this crushed green chili with lemon already, so I'm putting 1 tablespoon, and garlic 1 tablespoon. We are adding all these in rava one by one. Salt 1 tablespoon, or as per the taste, because I am here using the pink salt, and whatever you like you can use it. Lemon, that I'm using around about 2 to 3 tablespoon. This is also as per choice. And oil 1 tablespoon, it's also as per choice. Turmeric powder 1 teaspoon only, and mustard rye, that also 1 teaspoon, and you can use less or more. We will mix it so to see the consistency. Now here I am adding lemon salt 1 teaspoon with fresh lemon, because we need little more taste of lemon. Now lemon, 1 cup of the lassi I am using in this. So I have dhokla pan, so I kept it on stove to steam with the water and let the water be boiled. But audience, if you don't have, you can use the manual cooking pot. So see, you can keep down stand, and on that any cake pan you can use for pouring the dhokla masala. Here I am using the dhokla pan and showing you the consistency. And now we will add in this little water, so it should be smooth enough, and we'll keep on mixing it for 1 to 2 minutes. So this gives the puffy look. Now we need, in the end, before pouring it into the pan, we need to add 1 teaspoon of the ENO powder. ENO is available everywhere, either you use ENO or baking powder. And now all the mixture we will add in the pan, and we'll cover it tightly so that the steam may not come out. And you can use it normal lid, which usually it's tight, and put one heavy weight over it, so that it gives us the best of the cooking methods. See, I'll show you. You have seen in the image that there was the pan. After 15 minutes it will be ready, and you can check it with the help of toothpick. Let it be cooked, and we will make tadka. In the tadka we need turmeric, salt, lemon salt, and coconut powder, green chili, all as per taste. In the pan we will start with the mustard seed and green chili. You'll fry it, keep on frying. It's in medium flame, not very high, because we need green chili to be little more good. Some people use curry leaves also, you can use it, but here I'm using as per my choice. Turmeric powder 1 teaspoon. Yes. Add and keep on stirring all the material equally and evenly. Garlic 1 tablespoon, that also keep on mixing. After adding every ingredient, we'll keep on mixing. Now it's all as per your choice. So I am adding the salt again, and a lemon, fresh lemon, and lemon salt. Then half cup of the coconut powder. We'll mix it well. See, after mixing it, the tadka is ready. It's all for the garnishing. Meanwhile, our dhokla is almost ready, because 15 minutes is past, and I have already put a heavy weight also on the pot. We'll remove it and we'll check with the help of toothpick. If the toothpick comes out clean, so it means the Dokra is ready. We'll keep it outside and on the table for 5 to 6 minutes. See, I'm adding little more lemon water, lemon juice, and here see, adding the toothpick inside. The toothpick is clean, so it means the dokra is ready.